Hello, my name is Husam Chekfa, and this is my ECE 40862 Lab 4 demonstration. I'm going to first of all demonstrate the, I was already running it. Let me stop that. There we go. And let me go ahead and clear the channel. I just wanted to show you guys that it's working, but I'll go ahead and actually show that. So go here, I'll clear it, and then channel settings. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and there we go, it's cleared. I just want to do that on video. I don't know if we need to do that, but there we go. All right, so this is my code basically. Not a lot of comments, but before I was using sockets and I kind of could not figure that out. So one of the TAs told me to swap to uRequest, and that worked very easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it. So go ahead and run that. There we go. Connected to my what's it called? My hotspot on my phone. As you can see, it's printing. Just I want to clarify something. For this specifically, I know it's 30,000 because it should be 30 seconds. However, just for the demonstration, I changed it to 5,000 just so I can show that it's printing. Just so I can see the update in kind of in real time. So we're gonna go ahead and see this. One thing I found interesting, which is one of the TAs mentioned also, is that despite me, as you can see, there's an update just now, but despite me printing it and calling the function every 5 seconds, it's still only actually outputting it every 20 seconds. So, or like ThinkSpeak, excuse me, is only reading it every 20 seconds. So it's what it seems like, to me at least, as well as the TA, it seems that the ThinkSpeak will only register so many X amount of what do you call it? Inputs in a certain period. For maybe it's I'm using the free version. That's possible. The free version maybe only allows it every 20 seconds. But yeah, so as you can see, it is working. Here's the temperature. It's wavering between 125 and 126, as well as the Hall value. The values are obviously very strange, but on Piazza it was mentioned that the values don't really matter because they're not going to be, they're going to be very off. Because obviously the temperature is not 120 degrees right now in November. But as for my hardware, it's really just the Thani code, my computer, the USB from my computer to Thani, as you can see, as well as my microcontroller. These wires are just from the previous labs. It's not really being used at all. Yeah, it was a pretty fun lab. As for part 6, I'm gonna make another video. I'll put them together. I'll just merge them into one video. But my part 6 is not fully working, but the website does load. So the website loads. It's just that I couldn't finish it. So I'm hoping to get some partial credit on that, but we'll see. Again, as you can see, it's still updating. And yeah, I do have a final timer. Basically, that would cause it to stop. As you can see in this line, at 5 minutes. The TA told me that I spoke to TA on, I think last Thursday. The sysexit was not working, but he said that it doesn't really matter. He doesn't really care that it actually stops. He just wants to see that we have a timer, which tests at 5 minutes, which in this case would be 300 seconds, of course, and that's 300,000 milliseconds. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you in the second half of this video.